Welcome back to another episode of The Idiot Cooking Show. Today we're making omurice. It's been about a month since you've seen me, but we're making omurice super cheap because I have old rice that I can make fried rice with and eggs. And I think that's all you need. This should be easy. I feel like everything that I've made on here is easy. Everything's easy to make. We're going to, what is it when we're gonna saute some vegetables. Celery, carrots, and onion. So yeah, heating up the old pan. Veggie. In le pan. I think I put too much. Just gonna saute these up real nice till they get nice and sauteed. And it's becoming like a nice vegetable egg omelet in a way. A lot of the fucking publications out there say to use old rice. That scared me a little bit. Idiot. It's pretty good actually. Just like Mother used to make. I add a little garlic too. Watch this. Freestyle. Little sesame, garlic, gochujang, gochujang, I think we're done with that. That was a pretty easy first step. Shit. Sometimes the cooking's a little dance. There's a little bit of give, a little bit of take. You gotta figure out what works for you. Put a little swang on it sometimes. Damn it, I kinda wanted to use this pan for the egg. Hey! Scram! It's funny to note that we only have 3 eggs left, so I could realistically only try this one time. Might have to go to the store. I really hope that we don't have to because I don't want to leave the house. Some stove rice. It's pretty good. That's what he does in the video. He goes, got my chopsticks, got my egg. Rinse these off. Oh, I gotta plate the rice. He has a fucking like football shaped thing. Who the has that? No wonder why he's so famous. It's just because he has the football thing. Maybe I'll go small bowl. It's not football shaped like in the fucking video, but this is ready to go. They just take chopsticks and they stir it up real hard and real nice. It's kind of grotesque if you think about it. It's like a carcass almost. You're opening like a carcass of egg and all of its guts are spilling out over the rice. Moment of truth. I'm wearing boxers right now, so my balls are like slapping against my leg right now.
What?
I'm gonna get a spatula. Okay, and then I'm gonna, oh, I mean, the shape is hideous, but we'll plate it. It's not pretty. It's definitely not pretty, but if it works, it works. I mean, it's fine. I think I should get more eggs though and try it again to make it perfect. I had the eggs cooking right, but what I was f***ing up on was flipping it into that football shape. But we're gonna go to the corner store, get some more eggs. So they were out of eggs at the corner store, so we had to bust a quick little mission to the actual store. I'm gonna try this one more time, and if I can't do it, then it's a fail. You guys put your eggs in your eggshells in the, oh shit. The garbage disposal? Fuck, I couldn't think of the word. The garbage disposal or the trash can. I've heard some people say that you're not supposed to put them in the garbage disposal, but why not? Rice. Oh shit, here we go again. Hey! You got 2? That seems real hot. Just means we gotta move quick. God, this is a workout. I'm gonna try the flip now. Okay. Just like the guy. First try, baby. Guess I'll play this bullshit. That was hot. Whatever. I don't care. I mean, I honestly feel like the texture doesn't look that far off. I just couldn't make it look nice. But we're gonna try it. It's actually really good. It's just like fried rice with more egg, which is not a bad thing. Like, I'd like to say it's a success, but at the same time, like, I f***ed it up. It's what I'm gonna eat for dinner tonight. Stepping in rice. Maybe I'll revisit this one sometime, but I already made like 9 eggs worth of eggs. I feel like I shouldn't make any more from like an ethical standpoint. I think this is a lesson that you can learn from me. Sometimes you don't have to give it the old razzle dazzle. And that wasn't the first time I've ruined something with some flair, and it's not gonna be the last time.